Hi, good morning everyone. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel. If you are preparing for the CIMA SCS examinations for May or August 26 window, this case will determine your result. So this is not just a theory, this is a real strategic problem. And in this series, we have broken down the case not like the students, but from the strategic finance manager or the board perspective. In today's episode, we will be going deeper into the technology, what actually creates value. Most students, when look at the case study, the technology section, they think it is technical, but it is not. This is one of the most strategic parts of the case, because if you understand this, you understand why customers choose and why they leave. In episode 1, we saw revenue decline by 18.8% while the competitor grew around 9.9%. And that tells us one thing: this is not a market issue, it is a competitive issue. In episode 2, we asked why customers are leaving. Kwirtmak sells solutions, but competitors are offering similar value at lower prices. So now the key question is, what creates the value? What gives Kwirtmak its edge? The answer is technology. Why technology matters? Now this is where most candidates go wrong. They treat technology as background, but in this case, technology determines what customers can produce, how fast they can produce, and what they are willing to pay. Let's simplify this. Each technology has one dominant strength, not everything, one key capability, and customers choose based on that only. Extrusion. This is the most basic technology. It melts materials and builds layer by layer. It is low cost, flexible, scalable, but it is not precise and it is not strong at all. So from a strategic perspective, this is not premium. This is good enough technology. It is used where cost matters more than perfection. SLDLP. This uses liquid resin cured using light, and the result, very high precision and smooth surface finish. But there is a trade-off: lower strength. So this is not about strength, it is about appearance and details as well. Laser melting. Now this is where things change. Laser melting creates metal parts. This is real functional output. It delivers high strength industrial capability. This is premium. This is where Kwirtmak justifies its pricing, but again, it is expensive. Now, binder jetting. It focuses on color, visual output, but again, it is weaker. Finally, material jetting. This combines precision, surface finish, and multi-material capability, but again, it's very expensive. So what's the big picture? Let's step back. No single technology does everything. Each one solves a specific problem. And this is the key. Customers don't choose machines, they choose solutions. Aerospace, strength. Jewelry, finish. Electronics, speed. This is the most important insight. Kwirtmak's advantage is not technology, it is how well it matches technology to customer needs. So what is going wrong? So what happens when customers or competitors offer similar kind of technologies and customers can achieve the similar outcomes at the lower prices, what will happen? Think about it. Differentiation disappears, right? Value perception declines, premium pricing weakens, and revenue falls. The board is not asking which technology is best. They're asking, do we still have an edge or not? Now, if you take one thing away from the episode, it says technology itself is not the advantage, it's how well you use it to solve the customer's problems. And once competitors start doing that the same thing just as well, the difference will disappear. And that's exactly where Kwirtmak is today. If you want to understand this case properly, not just at the surface level, but at the level where you can apply it in the exam, make sure you follow the full series. And during the examination, please follow the structure, technology, the need, value, competition, and revenue. In the next episode, we break down the customer base and identify who is leaving and why. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next episode.